Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picola's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, and it is hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we upload on Saturdays and we share with you some crafts that we've done with our stickers, projects we've done with our stickers, some stickers that we've hauled, or anything to do with stickers. So what I'm going to share with you are 3 of these cards that I actually altered for a new junk journal that I'm going to be working on. The theme that I decided to go with today is a kawaii theme, just everything really, really cute and fun. So what I did was I got 3 of these large playing cards. They sell them at Dollar Tree. They're like the extra large playing cards. And I used them as a base to basically glue my paper to. So I can't remember honestly if it was paper pack that I got from Temu or a paper pack that I got from Romwe. It could actually be from both of those companies because I kind of went through a couple of my paper packs to find the right paper for these. And I just glued it to both sides of the card. And then I picked out some stickers that have like a really cute, fun kawaii theme to them. So let me show you. I did 3 of them. So this is the first card right here. Really cute. I just went with these cute girls. And then I added that flower. This washi tape I did get from Temu. And then the back looks like this. Just really, really fun and cute, I think. So I'm going to be adding these, like I said, to a new junk journal that I'm going to be starting to put together. So I wanted a couple of like journaling type cards to start this journal off with. So that's the first one. Now here is the second one. And I love how these are washi stickers so you can see through them, but you can see the design of the paper. I did that intentionally because I wanted to still be able to see the beautiful paper. And I wanted to be able to see the stickers as well. I thought that was kind of a cool effect. And again, here's the back. I love these stickers. I got them in a mystery package that I got on Etsy. And I've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to use them. I think they're so pretty. And then the third one is really cute and fun. And again, I went with the see-through, the washi stickers so that you could still see the background through it. So we have that one, and then this is the back. So those are the 3 journaling cards that I decorated for Sticker Saturday. So I'm going to be using these in a new kawaii themed junk journal that I'm going to be putting together very soon. Now another really quick thing I want to share with you is I actually hauled some stickers from a monthly subscription that I signed up for. It's called Pipsticks. And now I want to take a minute to share something with you. I was thinking whether I should put this in its own video or whether I should add it to Sticker Saturday, and I decided to add it to Sticker Saturday because this is a sticker video, and I thought that some of you might actually be interested, or you might actually already have this monthly subscription. It's called Pipsticks, and you basically get stickers every month sent to you. They had a coupon code and I went ahead and took advantage of it. It was online. It was for a 3-month subscription. You get 50% off. So normally there's 2 types of subscriptions you can get. You can get the Pro, and then there's like a smaller subscription. The price for the Pro was $17.95, but with the 50% off, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do it for 3 months. And then they also have children's ones available. So let me show you what I got. Super cute. And I did decide to sign up for the children's one as well. So I'll actually be getting 2 this coming month, but let me show you. This is what they send you. So they have like the Pro and then the kids pack. So now check out these stickers. They are awesome, actually. This is what they send you. And there's 15, I believe. I believe there's 15 items in here. Let's go through it real quick. So like, look at this first sheet of stickers. And normally, like I said, this would be $17.95 for the Pro pack. They have a smaller one that you can get for a lower price tag, but I figured I would start off with the $17.95 because I had a coupon code for 50% off 3 months. So I might downgrade after the 3 months, but really cute. Like, look at that. So that's the second sheet. And then this is really cute. So these are almost like washi. They're stickers, but you could clearly use it as like washi tape to line a journal or something like that. That's what I'm going to use them for. So that's the third. And then there's this one right here, which is 4. This one's really cute. I love that one. And then we have this right here, which is interesting. But this will be good for my Kawaii junk journal that I'm going to be starting. And then, let's see, this is really cute. There's another one, Sticky Club. I was going to sign up for that one. I still might, but yeah, I decided to go with this one first because I really liked the 50% off. So then there's some letters, numbers, and see what I mean? There's a ton of stickers here. Especially for $8.95, good deal. $17.95, not so sure if I'll do that, but for the $8.95, definitely. So yeah, that's cute. And then we got this right here. Oops, is that upside down? So next we have this, little tiny foods. How cute. And this. Still more. How cute is this? I love this one a lot. And then this is like a postcard, I believe. I think it said a postcard. Yeah, so then they give you a postcard, which I would use, obviously. I would use this as a journaling card in a journal. But yeah, let me just count this. I believe it was 15, but let me double check. Yeah, so basically 15 items they send you. 13 of them were sticker sheets. 1 of them was a large vinyl sticker, and then the postcard. So pretty cool. And right here it shows you like what the prices would have been for each of the sticker sheets. So with all that being said, that does conclude today's video. I hope that you guys like the stickers I shared with you that I got in my Pipsticks February monthly subscription, and the 3 journaling cards that I made for Sticker Saturday. Everyone, please go ahead and put in that hashtag Sticker Saturday. Check out everyone else's videos and show them some love. And also go to Crafting Rose's channel and show her some love as well. And please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload, and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.